Taking down my problems. Imagine you doing what you love to do. Hello, I am Leticia, and when I am older, I will be a professional judo athlete. I will talk a bit about the positive aspects, my, my personal characteristics which fit this profession, and what I need to do in the next 10 years to be a professional judo athlete. I will show you that this is a great profession, and when I am finished, I am sure you will agree that it's a perfect job for me. I am going to do what it takes to make my dream come true. Let me start by telling you why the profession is a great choice. When I achieve it, I am going to learn from my mistakes in order to improve my techniques, so I will travel all over the world to compete. Also, making friends is very important, because we can exchange experiences and they can help me in the training. I can influence people saying that they can do anything they want with focus and determination. I am sure that I will love being a professional judo athlete. It is my dream job. I really like to exercise, and the most important thing I like is taking people down and winning the fight, because it makes me more confident and makes my day happier. I love being with my friends and training with them. They make me happy and they help me with my mistakes, so they will be my second family. I like to be a leader and influence people to good and make people believe in themselves. As Maya Angelou said, people will forget what you say, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. I know that this sport is very difficult because you need to give most of your time for this profession. So in the next 10 years, I will train, focus and strive a lot. I will convince my family and friends that this is a perfect job for me and it's what I love to do. I will make a lot more friends because they can help me. I need to improve my behavior to be better and influence people to be better too. As you can see, I will be a professional judo athlete because I'm sure that is the perfect job for me. Have you seen how this profession suits me? I will have a healthy life, travel to compete and train. I have been practicing judo since I was 4 years old, and this sport is very important for me. So that's my future. I know that I need to work hard and study a lot because I won't be a professional judo athlete for the rest of my life.